Ready to capture breathtaking photos like these? Welcome back to 2 Minutes Posing Saturday. Today we're diving deeper into the art of boudoir photography. I'll reveal secrets on enhancing your poses and selecting the perfect lighting. Ready to take your skills to the next level? Let's jump right in. Our today's pose is an exquisitely beautiful and sensual one, yet not for every client or model. You should ensure that your model or client possesses the necessary flexibility and strength to perform this pose effectively. It's crucial to always ensure that no pain or injuries are sustained during its execution. To set our model up perfectly and to make use of a blend of side and backlighting, we've positioned our coffee table in front of the window. I ask our model to lay back on the table with knees bent so that her upper body is properly placed on the table. The leg closer to the light source should be extended with the toe pointed and placed on the couch. As you probably already know, we only use and shoot with natural available light directly from our bright, big window front. For optimal execution, the model should first tilt her head back as far as possible until she feels the table on the back of her head. Only then should she lift her torso into an arch position and raise her chest as high as possible. This movement can be supported by various hand positions or using the elbows for leverage. We opted for positioning the hands above the head. It's essential that the model keeps her eyes closed, lips slightly parted and forehead relaxed. To further enhance the chest, you might ask your model to breathe in deeply. Let's talk camera settings. Given that we're nearly working with backlighting, I use the following setting. Aperture is of f1.8, our shutter speed is at 1/200th of a second and the ISO is set at 160. Struggling with poses during your photo shoot? Don't worry, I got you covered. Grab our free posing guide featuring my top 10 poses and elevate your photos in no time. Just click the link in the video description. Say goodbye to posing troubles. Editing is straightforward. We begin with one of our excellent presets. This automatically adjusts a significant portion of the editing work, such as profile settings and details like sharpening, noise reduction and lens corrections. Next, we adjust the white balance and increase the exposure by nearly 2 stops. As usual, I protect the white points in the raw image by shooting slightly underexposed. I then enhance the contrast by reducing the shadows. To eliminate any small skin blemishes, I use the repair tool. The crop and alignment are already perfect in this case, so our stunning and deeply sensual boudoir photo is complete. That's a wrap for today's 2 Minutes Posing Saturday. I hope you feel inspired and ready to apply what you've learned. Be sure to check back next week when we reveal a new breathtaking pose. Subscribe to our channel and click the notification bell to stay updated. See you soon.